How to fix? You need the official WhatsApp to log in on iPhone. So it means WhatsApp has detected you are using an unofficial or modified version or there's a glitch with the App Store installation. So in order to fix this step by step, follow this. First of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, once inside the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the General option available in there. Now, once you tap on the General, you will get to see the iPhone storage option available in there. Tap on it. From there, the list of the apps, scroll down and look for the WhatsApp app and tap on it. Then tap on the Upload app option available inside the WhatsApp app and reinstall the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. This resets app data without deleting your chats. Now, simply try restarting your device. After reinstalling or changing settings, always hold power plus volume down, side to power off, and turn it back on after 10 seconds. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.